To receive Uber Cash credit for your American Express Platinum and American Express World cards, start by opening the Uber website in your browser. Click on the Login option, located in the top right corner of the main page, and select your preferred sign-in method. Once logged in, click on your name in the top right corner, and then select Wallet from the drop-down menu. On the Uber Wallet page, click Add Payment Method and choose Credit or Debit. Next, enter the details of your American Express card and click Add Card. After adding your card as a payment method, you should automatically receive Uber Cash credit. You may need to reload the page to see the update. If you have multiple American Express credit cards with Uber Cash benefits, you can add them all and the cash will accumulate. Once you've added your cards, you can use the accumulated Uber Cash to pay for services, making it a convenient way to utilize your American Express card benefits.